6, 5, 4,
there it is.
3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
There it goes.
Just cleared the tower.
Oh, shiitake. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Woo!
Vehicle cross nominal.
500 kilometers an hour.
Oh my god, that's so awesome.
Power and telemetry nominal. All telemetry stations are receiving.
You're looking at the Falcon 9 rocket as it ascends through the atmosphere, carrying the SAOCOM 1A satellite to low Earth orbit. Right now, the vehicle is passing through max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure on the airframe. The vehicle actually throttles itself down for this portion of the flight in order to reduce structural stresses.
Cool, I like that.
I think the sonic boom is when it comes back to land.
Altitude 30 kilometers.
For those of you just joining us, we did have a successful liftoff from the pad at Vandenberg Air Force Base at 7:21 p.m., just as expected.
Here it comes.
Coming up at T plus 2 minutes and 19 seconds, we're going to have a series of 5 events happening all very, very quickly together. That's going to be main engine cutoff, stage separation, second engine start, boost back burn start, and fairing deploy. It's going to happen really fast, so let's watch the views we have on your screen.
Big Scott.
Okay, turn it off.
Look at the screen.
Now it's going to restart.
Look at the screen.
Look at his computer
Look at
screen.
his screen.
I said, look, it's restarting.
Oh, it's restarting.
It's about to separate.
And there you have it. We had a successul main engine cutoff, and then a good start of that first stage. You can see the second stage Merlin vacuum engine lighting up right now, heating up and preparing to boost that payload the rest of the way towards its intended orbit.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Stage 1 boost back is
You should
started.
see that fairing deploy on the right-hand side of your screen right now. And there it is.
It's separated.
Good fairing deploy.
Wow. Oh my god, that's beautiful.
So right now, what you can see is 2 separate views. On the left-hand side of your screen, you can see the that's a view from the top of the first stage of the Falcon 9, currently executing a boost back burn. This is a shot from the ground as we can see it here in California. And on the right-hand side of your screen, you can see the bottom of the second stage as its Merlin vacuum engine continues to push that SAOCOM 1A satellite into low Earth orbit.
Stage 1 boost back is shut down.
That second stage will continue burning its Merlin 1 vacuum engine all the way until 10 minutes into flight.
I bet they see that for. Oh no, they aren't at Dr. Field.
No.
What you're seeing on the left-hand side of your screen is a beautiful shot from the ground in California of the exhaust gases of that first stage.
That is so
That's
cool.
amazing.
Viewers in California may be able to see this from outside.
Oh, I think we can.
You can see the grid fins on the side of the rocket have extended.
Is that the part that's coming down, Jacob, that's going to land?
I don't know yet.
Oh.
I'm thinking probably.
Can we reuse that booster engine?
They're planning to. They want it to land right at Vandenberg so they can reuse it.
Wow.
And this is the first time in history that they've landed on land.
Gas coming from the rocket.
They've successfully done it in the ocean,
The reaction
but they want to land it right on the pad where it took
maintains
off.
its attitude coming back down towards the pad.
I didn't hear a sonic boom.
The boost back burn is now complete from that first stage. The next thing coming up at 5 minutes and 56 seconds will be the start of the entry burn. This entry burn happens just as the first stage hits the thicker regions of the atmosphere. so it can slow itself down and avoid damage to those 9 Merlin engines, which are entering first into the atmosphere. You can see periodic bursts from those cold gas thrusters in the side of the first stage.
Yeah, it's falling back down right now.
I see it.
Now, can
And
they guide
2
it?
seconds.
Can they guide it?
Should entry burn now.
Crazy. Hey, there's that thing outside.
Very shortly, anyway.
Vandenberg Air Force Base.
See, you can see the altitude right here.
Uh-huh.
It's 80 kilometers up. 79.
Wow. That's crazy.
What did those look? Is that part of the?
So for those of you
Look
just
at that
joining
up
us,
there.
we are currently following the
That
first
would be
stage
the- that's the
heads
entry
towards
burn.
The LZ-4 at Vandenberg Air Force Base on the left-hand side of your screen, and on the right is
And that's
the
what they're
second
planning to
stage
land
of
right
the
back
rocket
there at
as it continues
Vandenberg.
to ascend towards low Earth.
Vertically, without
There
any
it is,
damage
that's
to
the
it.
start of the entry burn of that Falcon 9 first stage.
So what's that other black thing?
I think that's
This
just a
burn is only
star.
about 30 seconds.
I think it's just a star.
That first stage is mostly empty of fuel, so it's actually pretty light. Doesn't need that much force to slow it down.
It's 30 kilometers.
Stage 1, entry burn is shut down.
And that looks like the shutdown of the entry burn.
There are parts
You're
that
getting
are
views
burning
both from the
off.
top of the Falcon 9 first stage as it comes down through the air, and also from the ground, visible from California.
Stage 1 FTS at 6.
It was electrical, wasn't it?
That big light up there in the star.
I have actually no idea what it is.
Seeing that the sun is now below the horizon, we probably won't see much more of the first stage until it lights up its engines for the final landing burn. That's going to happen at T plus 7 minutes and 14 seconds. So coming up
9,
almost
10,
5
11,
seconds now.
12, 13, 14. There it is.
That's
Right above
unbelievable.
the house.
Oh.
There it is. That's the start of the landing
Stage
burn.
1, landing burn has started.
And check out right here. It's going to land on the video.
There it is. That's the start of the landing
Stage
burn.
1, landing burn has started.
That Falcon 9 first stage should be approaching the ground just about in 5 seconds here. Let's watch as it attempts to land.
Stage 1, landing arms at the point. Vandenberg, LZ-4, the Falcon is landed. Landing on
And it appears that that Falcon 9 first stage has just stuck the landing at LZ-4 at Vandenberg Air Force Base. This is great news for everyone here at SpaceX. Reminder that this is the first time we've ever landed a rocket first stage back at Vandenberg Air Force Base.